Hello, my name is Judson Burden. I'm president of AsphaltKingdom.com. I'm standing here today with Mr. Lee Kuhn, who manufactures our AK spray systems. I wanted to ask Mr. Kuhn a question to be able to share with you guys. Tell me about the innovation associated with this pump and engine assembly.
Well, Judd, it looks pretty simple to the common person. You've got an engine, you've got a semi-trash centrifugal pump, and you've got some fittings. But what people don't know is the amount of time and effort and energy and thought that's gone into the fittings that are associated with this and the combination of these parts together. So the pump itself has Viton seals that are on tungsten. The combination, tungsten's a very hard metallic material, actually one of the hardest in the world. And it means that your seals are going to last quite a bit longer than a standard trash pump or a standard centrifugal pump. The additional pieces we put on this is we're the only company to feature a flanged three-way valve on the actual unit. And we did this for a few reasons. One, it makes operation incredibly simple. The valve handle's on the top. You can rotate it and determine what way you want flow to go, one motion, one control. So it allows the user of this to turn pressure on or off, load sealer, whatever they may want to do. The next portion of the three-way valve that's kind of nice is that you don't have any additional Teflon tape or threaded connections. Anyone that's ever worked with these before knows that Teflon tape connections lead to leaking. They're challenging to take apart because you have to have tools on site, and they eat up a lot of time when it comes to maintenance. So by having a self-contained three-way valve and one flange connection, we eliminate leaks, we make it easier to operate, and ultimately it improves the user experience and makes it more reliable. On the output here, we've got a simple flanged male cam lock. That makes it super easy to connect to whatever it is, whatever container you're sucking from or returning to. Besides this, we offer a reliable 4-stroke overhead valve engine. And if you're looking for something to take to the next level, we also offer a Honda upgrade. Both engines offer low oil alert, which is a great feature to have for reliability.
Mr. Kuhn, there's also different options that you can select from relating to the engine and the pump. Tell me about them.
So our base engine is a very reliable lawn top 4-stroke engine with low oil alert. For brand loyal guys that just love the shiny red Honda, we've got that as a good upgrade option as well. Same thing, 5.5 horse Honda with a low oil alert as well.
And what about the pump? Is the pump self-priming, or do you have to prime it manually?
So the pump is self-priming. It has a much smaller priming chamber than past pumps that we've used. It just makes it a lot more reliable when it comes to loading, transferring, or circulating sealer.
And saving a ton of time too. So self-priming pumps, from what I understand, do save a lot of time rather than having to open the orifice, pour water into it, and so on, right?
Absolutely. And when you pair that with the heavy-duty Viton and tungsten seals, you've got a great combination for an entry-level seal coater that's looking for something that's reliable and that's going to get the job done.
So if you're interested in a very reliable pump and engine assembly, we've got it. We've got it for you. Give us a call, 866-399-5562. We'd love to speak with you.